A literature review on selection in human resource management. Selection is a crucial function of resource management aimed at identifying the most suitable candidates from a pool of applications. The process evaluates their qualifications, skills, and their fit within the organization. Over time, selection practices have evolved to ensure accuracy, fairness, and alignment with organizational goals. This review explores the selection process through an established model and highlights how the stages have developed and impacted HR practices. Selection refers to the structured process of evaluating and choosing the best candidates for a role. According to Nakovitz, selection is the process of evaluating candidates based on their qualification, experiences, and attributes to determine the best fit for an organization. The process considers more than technical skills, also assessing cultural fit and long-term potential. D'Amelio describes the selection as a dynamic, multi-step process designed to enhance fairness and accuracy in hiring situations. The strategic model process follows a structural model, which consists of the following stages: application and resumes, preliminary interviews, testing, background investigation, selection interview, medical examination, decision making, and appointment. Stage 1: application and resumes. The process begins with collecting applications and resumes. These documents are screened for basic qualifications. Modern organizations use applicant tracking systems, or ATSs, to automate this step. According to Nakovitz, ATS enables HR professionals to efficiently filter applications, ensuring that only those who meet the job criteria advance to the next stage. Stage 2: preliminary interviews. Following resume screening, candidates go through preliminary interviews. These interviews assess communication skills, attitudes, and cultural fits. Traditionally done face-to-face or by phone, video interviews are becoming more common day by day. Nakovitz points out that this step allows HR professionals to identify promising candidates early in the selection stage. Stage 3: testing. Candidates selected for testing may undergo various assessments to measure their skills and abilities. D'Amelio highlights the growing use of psychometric tests to evaluate cognitive abilities and personality traits. Testing provides objective data that helps predict job performance, ensuring that only the most qualified candidates move forward in the process. Stage 4: background investigation. Before final interviews, a background investigation is conducted to verify the accuracy of the candidate's information. Sears and Castelline's discussion the increasing use of social media platforms like LinkedIn for background checks, though these checks raise concerns and potential bias. This stage ensures that candidates meet the organization's legal and ethical requirements. Stage 5: selection interview. The selection interview is often the most significant step in the process. Nakovitz advocates for structured interviews where all candidates are asked the same set of questions, ensuring fairness. Behavioral questions are commonly used to assess how candidates handle real-world situations, helping ensure the best fit for the role and the organization. Stage 6: medical examination. In industries where health and safety are crucial, candidates may undergo a medical examination to ensure they are physically fit for the said role. Medical exams are particularly important in sectors like construction or transportation, where both the candidates and the workplace safety are essential. Stage 7: decision making. After interviews, tests, and background checks, the HR team engages in decision making. Nakovitz stressed the importance of basing decisions on objective data collected during the process to minimize bias. The final decision involves collaboration between HR professional and the department heads. Stage 8: appointment. The last stage is appointment of successful candidates. After making the final decision, the candidate is formally offered the job, and the contract negotiations may follow. The stage concludes the selection process and transitions the candidate to an employee status of the business.